Good morning guys. Ito po ang project ng butihing mayor natin po dito po sa San Mateo, Isabela. Construction of drainage system Site 1 El Barangan Street, Site 2 M. Santiago Street, 2A Ramones Street, Site 3 El Reno Street, Salinungan West, San Mateo, Isabela. LGU San Mateo, Valenzuela Construction, and our beloved Honorable Barangay Captain, outstanding Henaro B. Reno, punong barangay, at outstanding Mayor Honorable Attorney Gregorio A. Pua, Municipal Mayor ng San Mateo. Yan guys, ang drainage.